So everyone's out here thinking agentic AI is coming for people's jobs. And honestly, that's just not what's going on. The real problem it solves is a bit more expensive. It's the waiting, the back and forth, the let me loop in finance on this. That's where companies are actually losing time and money. Think about a billing complaint. Customer raises it, goes into a queue, someone escalates it, finance needs data from ops, ops is in a different system, someone sends an email, someone follows up, 3 days later, it's sorted. Now with an AI agent, that whole chain just runs itself. It pulls the data, drafts the fix, and lands on one person's desk ready to approve. Same result, done today instead of Thursday. Nobody lost their job, they just stopped doing the part nobody liked anyway. So if you're thinking about where AI fits in your business, don't start with headcount. Start with your slowest handoff. That's your answer.